I'm gonna walk all over you. This is as far as you go, Lombax. I'm the star around here. I eat guys like you for breakfast, Lombax. That one actually hurt.
I've always thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it.
I'm the greatest hero that ever lived.
Rodent, you're gonna pay for that.
Now you'll see why they call me the Great One. Hey, Lombax, do you feel lucky? Must fight. Ignore pain. Let's see whose action figure they buy now, Lombax.
That red zone home game.
Hey, I'm out of med packs. But not that I need them.
And now, for my finishing move.
I've always thought the world needed more of me, and now they get it.
Extermination is my job. I can't help if I love it.
Watch out for the new Liberator!
Ratchet! You can't beat me. You're just a half-sized rodent with a big wrench.
Stay down, Ace. Don't embarrass yourself.
Embarrass? Embarrass? I'm Ace Hardlight.
You were a hero once, Ace.
Ratchet! Don't let Vox do to you what he did to me. You're the hero now.
You want to see me, Vox?
My boy, you're the grand champion of Dread Zone. The whole galaxy wants to see you. Don't you see, kid? I've been doing everything in my power to make you a star. I've transformed you from a worthless nobody into the hottest celebrity in the galaxy.
Right. So that's why your news show is slandering me every 6 seconds.
Slandering? Why, I was building up your bad boy image. Oh. And this is the thanks I get.
Whatever.
Now, don't be such a baby. I'm about to offer you the opportunity of 1,000 lifetimes. I'm making you the new captain of the Exterminators, the star of the show. Think of it. We'll make billions. We'll sell Ratchet action figures, Ratchet sports shoes, Ratchet deodorant, Ratchet breakfast cereal, earmuffs and cologne, soft drinks, hard drinks, energy drinks, breath mints. You get record deals, movie rights, reality shows, video games, and commercials. And
No deal, Vox.
what did you say?
I'm not your puppet, Vox. You actually think I'd kill other heroes to get rich? You're not just corrupt, you're stupid.
Why you just signed your own death warrant.
So we're done then.
Let him go.
Yes, sir?
We're going to need one final Dread Zone campaign. Have them prepare that, experimental one we developed.
Sir, you don't mean the Gauntlet of Doom, do you?
Yes.
But, sir, it was mathematically proven to be unbeatable.
And
Right away, sir.